Okay.
You know what? We should get some sweets, Dad.
Let's go get a couple of lollipops, okay?
Okay.
Where are the lollipops?
They're on the table. They're my lollipops.
No way, Jose. They're my lollipops.
No, they're mine.
No way. I said they're mine.
This means war.
Okay, this means war. Go get your guns. Come out, wherever you are. I'm gonna get you. I can hear you in the bathroom over there. Missed, except for one bullet. How many lives do we have?
One.
Okay. Well, did I get you?
No, you got me in the gun.
I got you what?
In the gun.
Oh, in the gun?
You gotta go upstairs! It's gonna explode.
Okay.
Can't come upstairs, you liar.
Did I get you?
No. Oh. Oh. Whoopsie. Gotta get fast.
Whoa, you got me one.
Pop, lie down.
Well, I still have bullets.
Okay.
Can I go upstairs?
No. Okay, Papa, we have 2 lives. 2 lives. I have 2 down. Now I got 0 lives.
Ah.
Told you the lollipops are mine. Make sure to leave a like or maybe subscribe. Make sure. Those are my lollipops anyway.